dahil hindi nakakatulong para sa mga ordinaryong mamamayan. Create siya ng innovation, nag-tap siya ng matalinong tao na astrologer nila.
And a good leader, alam niya kung sino yung itatap niyang tao.
He knows kung sino yung tamang tao for the role, for the need, for the
Actually,
position.
meron akong nabasa kanina eh.
Meron siyang mga tinak na iba't ibang leaders.
Correct.
Na mga, yung isa ay strategist, academician sa academy. Yung isa naman, ang consultant niya kapag ka mga diplomatic related na mga concerns.
Kaya
Tapos
pala, yung nabasa natin kanina, sabi niya, generally, everyone has one thing in which they are skilled. You have a talent that is one used to me. If you pour your heart into your work, you will gain trust. I ask you to devote yourself to your responsibilities and carry out my wishes.
Yun ang ano niya, yun yung kumbagang quotable, one of the quotable quotes niya.
Marunong siyang tumingin ng talent.
Alam niya, as a leader, ito yung kakayahan ko. I can lead the people to do this and this. Kaya sabi niya, ito yung gusto kong mangyari, gawin niyo.
Oo.
And he knows that they are the best people for that role. Kaya ang galing niya.
Yung hindi kailangan siya yung gagawa, no? Alam niya na, teka,
A good leader doesn't do everything.
Correct. Parang magaling dito siya.
Yes, tama. So, dapat ganun. Alam mo yung strengths ng people mo and how to use that to the advantage. Not for self-advantage, kundi general advantage ng country. So, ang galing din niya. Leadership-wise talaga. Ang galing.
Sobra.